The dog days of summer doesn't necessarily mean it's a good time to be a dog. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll tell you how to help your pets keep their cool right after this. Could your backyard use a makeover? You can create beautiful outdoor living spaces with Rumblestone from Pavestone. Create a paver patio or walkway, garden retaining wall, grill enclosure, fire pit, or even an outdoor kitchen. These rustic building blocks make it easy and they look great. Rumblestone from Pavestone is available at the Home Depot. And be sure to check out the project ideas and how-to videos at pavestone.com. That's pavestone.com. You hear all kinds of health warnings for people during times of high temperatures and humidity, but these conditions can be just as dangerous for the pets in your life. Pets that are very young or very old, short-nosed dogs, and pets with heavier coats will need some extra attention. If you exercise your pet, early mornings are the best. If they stay outside, always keep their water bowl refreshed. Adding a little ice in the water to melt is also a great idea. Make sure they have a shady spot to rest in during the day, and of course never leave a pet in a parked car, even with the windows rolled down. If you notice your pet is panting excessively or has difficulty breathing, get it in the shade or air conditioning immediately to cool them down, and consult your vet as soon as possible. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.